Hey, it's Chef Capalbo. Hey, salve. How's it going today? We are going to make a lean grilled cheese sandwich. How do you make that, you say? I don't know. I have to learn how. This has got to go away. I need to go that way. Time to lose weight. Because Chef Capalbo needs to lose weight. Doctor's orders. So, what are we going to do? Huh? What are we going to do? Well, first of all, we are going to go ahead and light up the pan. But first, we're going to use this. This is cooking spray, and it's made of non-stick extra virgin olive oil. So, it's a nice rainy day. So there we go. That is what we use. Now, ingredients are very easy for this. Very, very easy. 2 pieces of bread. And, no, not turkey on the ground. This isn't a turkey game. There's no sour cream. I just want this. There we go. Cheese. Cheddar cheese. And that is, calories is 90 calories. The bread, I don't know. I have to check into that. We are at one minute. So, okay, so we have iron nothing, potassium 20 milligrams, cholesterol 25 milligrams, and serving size is 1 slice. That's all we're going to put. 1 slice. It's going to be a very boring sandwich. Bread, well, bread is bread. What are you going to do with it, right? So we take out 2 pieces of bread. 2. I want to oil it up here a little. Okay, so there's that. What do? We're gonna light our fire here. Come on, baby, light my fire. We're going to set the place on fire. Okay, so we have the flame going. Smells good, huh? No? No. It doesn't smell like anything. So we put this away. We don't need no more bread. Bread is bad for a diabetic. Well, a lot of bread is bad for a diabetic, let's say that. Now you notice I didn't put no butter. We're not putting butter on our sandwich, our lunch. Okay, the bread. Calories 110 pieces per slice. Ooh, lots of calories. Okay, we put that away. We don't need that no more. I don't even know what the butter is. If I wanted butter. You know what? Since we don't have butter, we'll go ahead and do it this way. We'll put that back there. Shh, I didn't tell you to do this, okay? There. Now we have some more flavoring to it. So, we're going to finally try to get this open here. Is the sharp cheddar cheese. It's the very easiest thing to do. Even a cameraman can make a sandwich like this if he wanted to. Now, of course, he's not here, so he's not going to make any sandwich. He's the great 88, and he lives in Texas now. So there you have it. Oh, how did you do that? Why did you do that? What's the secret to it? Okay, so let's put that there. It's going to be a very boring sandwich, you could say. No, it's not going to be boring because I'm going to add one other kind of cheese. They may set up a fire alarm. That would be bad. We lower the heat a little bit here because we don't want the fire alarm to go off. Matter of fact, we get a piece of American cheese. Okay? Fire alarm will probably go off. It usually does. So that we work like that. And we're gonna go like this. As I told you, it's very, very easy to make this sandwich. And now we go for the big part. Ready, set, go. Okay, there you go. Smash it down. Just to make sure that it's working right, we cover it. Now there will be no problem, hopefully, of a fire alarm going beep, beep, beep. If it is, you're going to see me dodge out the door to go get the fire alarm off. So, I hope this makes very simple for you to make a grilled cheese sandwich. It's also Friday, no meat. If you're a Catholic, you know what I mean. What to drink with your sandwich? Well, what do I always drink? Agua, water. Water is good to drink with your sandwich. Okay, my sandwich is done. So, I hope you enjoyed my 3-minute video, 6 minutes, I cannot see from here. Okay, it's under 7 minutes. Go ahead, sure you follow Magic Mitch Arts down here. I know this is a long stretch and I didn't make it the other way, but hey, we're done. There you go. You want to see it, right? Okay, I will show you. Not too many people get to see Magic Mitch's Arts, Chef Capalbo's sandwich when they're done. It's burnt. I don't like burnt. I hate burnt, matter of fact. Anyhow, I cut it in half like this. And you serve it to the wife. And there you have it. I go make myself another sandwich. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to Magic Mitch Arts and have a great rainy day.